Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove photos from Okcupid. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Okcupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to remove photos, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner, tap on it. Now at the top section, you can see your profile. You can see the little pencil icon at the right hand side, tap on it. Now over here, you can see this edit photos option, tap on it. You are in the photos section of your account. Here you can upload and remove photos. In order to remove photos, you just need to tap and hold on the photos that you want to remove from your account. And you will be able to see the delete icon at the top right corner, tap on it. And there you go. That's how you can successfully remove photos from Okcupid. It's a very simple and easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.